Isebe lezonxibelelwano elimele isabelo sikarhulumente kwe-SABC lithi lixhalabile kukwehla kwengeniso kweli jelo losasazo.
It is the decline in revenue that we are experiencing. And if it is not attended to, it might pose a significant threat for the SABC going forward.
Kodwa usihlalo webhodi ubeka izinto eziliqela ezidla imali.
Because of our unique, I'll say, role and very high cost structure, signal distribution cost is still one of the major costs faced by the SABC. And we are currently in talks with Centec through the involvement of the Competition Commission to have the tariffs that Centec charges us reviewed. And that will give us a saving in the last count of over 250 million rands. And that will significantly improve the SABC profitability and really get the organization to be profitable.
iSCOPA sixelelwe ukuba akukho mntu ubekwe uxanduva ngenkcitho engafanelekanga eyenziwe leli jelo.
Some of the items that had been condoned, for example, relates to content that weren't broadcasted in between 2009 and 2015. There were sports rights that had similar kind of challenges in that period. One of the other items that were condoned related to the pay-as-you-earn on fringe benefits that weren't calculated properly at the time.
Nakuba linexhala, isebe lezonxibelelwano lanelisekile indlela iSABC emisela ngayo isicwangciso sokwenza ngcono izinto.